Hey guys, Griffin here at Timber Train Coffee Roasters, and today I am back to show you how we like to brew the new Jocsan Otoniel coffee from Honduras. First try. Give it a little rinse. A nice rinse. These Kalita filters can sometimes leave a bit of paper taste. Just dump all that water out. I'm going to be using 18 grams of ground coffee today. Tare my scale, flatten that down. The kettle set at 98 degrees Celsius. And our first pour is going to be a bloom of 65 grams. I grab a stir stick and just make sure all that coffee gets nice and broken up. Perfect. Now we just wait till 45 seconds where we're going to do our second pour. Now we're getting close to 45 seconds. Start pouring again, and we are going to pour up to 185 grams. Now we're going to wait another 20 seconds, so about 125, before we do our final pour, which is going to bring us up to the total brew weight of 300 grams. Just about getting to 1 minute and 25 seconds now. I'm going to start pouring in the center, slow spirals. Once it's at 300 grams, I'm going to give it a little swirl. This will help level out the coffee bed for a good even extraction. The reason I chose the Origami with these flat bottom Kalita filters today is because I really wanted to highlight the sweetness. So as a honey coffee, this will increase the texture and the sweetness and balance out that acidity really nicely. It's going to finish in about 3 minutes to 3:30 is perfectly where we found it tastes the best. We finished and it's done at around 3:25. Give it a couple swirls. Tasty. Pour it out and enjoy.